Welcome WBP stars. I'm Guido Braeken from restaurant Create. We're gonna start with our TURBOT dish. First we're gonna show you how we gonna prep this TURBOT. We have a TURBOT here, a big one from 5 kilo. So we are going to take the skin off. So when we finish this process, we are gonna brine the TURBOT. We take 2 liters of water and 160 grams of salt, and we brine them for 1.5 hours. When we finish the brine, we're going forward with our next process of the turbot. We roll them in foil for 1 hour and take them out. We cut them in 2 pieces. And we have this. I'm going to roll them in some spinach, blanchir them. We're going to roll it in the spinach. When we finish this process, we're gonna poach the turbot in the oven for 35 minutes on a temperature from 42 degrees, steam, 35 minutes. And we finish this, we've got the turbot in nice pieces, and then we're gonna heat it up for 1 or 2 minutes in the oven with a temperature of 60 degrees. We start plating the dish with the turbot, poached turbot. On top we have some beurre noisette, white pepper, some citrus, salt. We make a cream of the skin from the bergamot. On top we have fried oxtail and some glazed morels. Finish it off with some white truffle and some herbs from our garden. On the plate we'll do a sauce, beurre rouge. We'll make a foam of sauerkraut. Put the turbot in the center of the plate. That's how we finish the dish. Enjoy.